Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a full guide on how to record a boomerang in Messenger. If you want to add some fun and captivating moments to your conversations, this guide is for you. Let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it and then tap on Install to download it. Once you've installed the app, sign into your account using your login credentials. You'll be directed to the Messenger home screen. Now, let's explore how to record a boomerang in Messenger. Tap on the camera icon located in the top right side of the screen. This will open the camera feature within Messenger. Now, slide your finger across the bottom cursor until it stops on Boomerang. This will activate the Boomerang mode for recording. To start recording, tap and hold on the infinity icon. The camera will capture a short video clip that plays forward and backward in a loop, creating a captivating boomerang effect. Once you've recorded your boomerang, you have a few options. You can tap on the Save button to save it to your device's gallery. Alternatively, you can tap on Share to Story to add it to your Messenger story, allowing your friends to view and interact with it. You can also choose to send the boomerang directly to a friend by tapping on the Send option. Select the recipient from your contacts, and they'll receive your boomerang in a chat. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you can easily record a boomerang in Messenger. Have fun adding dynamic and engaging moments to your conversations. We hope you found this full guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.